Have you ever wondered what happens to your recyclables after you put them in the blue container? Today we're going to show you where they go and what happens to them. Every day, you and your family carefully place your cans, bottles, paper, glass, and other recyclables into your recycling container. You make sure that there are no recyclables in your trash container. You may even help your parents by rolling the blue recycling cart out to curbside. So, what happens next? Where does the recycling go from here, and what happens to all of those materials? The driver goes all over your neighborhood, picking up recyclables until the truck is completely full. The driver then takes the truck up to the City of Santa Cruz Resource Recovery Facility. When a truck arrives at the recycling facility, it drives to the tipping floor and dumps out all of the collected materials. All of the recyclables from the entire City of Santa Cruz are dropped off here. Santa Cruz residents recycle about 35 tons per day. That is a lot of recycling. A bulldozer pushes the recyclables onto a large conveyor belt. This conveyor belt will carry the recyclables inside the recycling facility to be sorted. The first stop for the recyclables once we get inside the building is called the pre-sort line. This is where workers pull out trash, large cardboard, books, plastic bags, and hazardous materials. After the pre-sort line, the materials fall off the conveyor belt into what is called a V-screen. This machine separates two-dimensional from three-dimensional objects. Can you guess what common recyclable material is two-dimensional? That's right, it's paper. All of the paper is separated from the heavier three-dimensional items like cans, bottles, and plastic. While the heavier three-dimensional objects fall down to the bottom of the V-screen, the paper floats up over the sides of the V-screen. The paper then travels to the paper sort platform. Here, workers pull out cardboard containers and anything that is not recyclable. Then the clean paper is carried out of the building on a conveyor belt and dropped down a chute into the paper containers. After the V-screen, the other recyclables continue to be separated from each other. The steel cans are separated by a large magnet, then carried up a steep conveyor. Finally, they are dropped into a silo. The glass, plastic, and aluminum cans go up a different conveyor to the glass and plastic sorting line. Here, workers separate the different types of glass by hand. The glass then leaves the building through chutes. The plastics are sorted into silos. The aluminum cans, being very light, are blown into the air by what is called an eddy current. Can you see the aluminum can? Then the cans are sent into a silo. After all the materials are separated and organized, they are baled. The baler makes a big brick of each material by compacting it. The bales are then wrapped in wire. We make a lot of these bales. The city made 10,500 bales of recycled materials in 2008. If we lined up all of those bales, it would cover the distance from downtown Santa Cruz all the way to Davenport. And these bales of recyclables are actually very valuable. One bale of aluminum cans has about 25,000 cans and is worth $2,000. All of the recyclables that you put into your blue bin at home are eventually made into new things. Can you think of any products that you have at home or school that were made of old recyclables? I bet there's more than you think. Paper like this, after you've used both sides, can be made into brand new paper like this. After you're done drinking your soda from the aluminum can, this can be made right back into a new aluminum can. And plastics can be made into all different kinds of things, like socks, fleece jackets, and even backpacks. When you make a purchase at a store, you can always look to see if an item has been made from recycled materials. Like this paper, you can clearly see that it was made from recycled. Same thing with the backpack. Recycling and reducing waste is one way you can really help the environment and help to stop global warming. Recycling keeps reusable materials out of the landfill, which has limited space. Recycling also reduces pollution and greenhouse gas emissions and preserves important natural resources like trees, water, and saves valuable energy. For example, last year, City of Santa Cruz residents recycled 4,500 tons of paper. That is the same as saving over 75,000 trees. So please keep recycling and reducing waste. City of Santa Cruz residents, just like you, have done a great job so far.
Keep the string clean. 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 We all live downstream. Keep the stream clean. Keep that river running free. Keep the stream clean. We all live downstream. Keep the stream clean. It's up to you and me. Keep the stream clean. We all live downstream. Keep the stream clean. Keep that river running free. Keep the stream clean. We all live downstream. Keep the stream clean. It's up to you and me.